Hey, so we're going to do a quick video of how to remove some components with a heat gun. So we're just going to go for it, see what happens here. The first thing we're going to do is just put it into this little vise here. You can get these, I don't know, all over the place. They're pretty cheap, pretty easy to use, very, very nice, very handy. I'm sure most of you guys already have them. I got this heat gun at Home Depot for about $25, so I would say that's a pretty good deal compared to a lot of hot air machines that are out there for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Pretty awesome. So, biggest thing to remember here is to keep the air moving. If you're holding it in one spot, you're more likely to bubble up the enamel on the board, damage it, rather than actually remove components. This takes a little bit of time, so we're just going to wait and let this heat up here. One important thing though to think about is that if you're doing this, you really ought to try and see just how long it takes and how much effort it takes to actually burn the board and break components and things. I mean, you ought to just push it. Like, get a board like this one. I mean, this is when it's broken, doesn't work. Just experiment with it, play with it. See if you can burn it, see if you can break it. What do you got to lose? You're just going to learn, right? Like I said, just keep the air moving. Keep moving it around. What you want to start looking for, it's going to be hard to see on camera here. You want to start seeing some of that solder get a little bit wet. So, yeah, you probably won't be able to see it in the video. Maybe. Let's see if we can start seeing some things move here. Not quite. Oh, there we go. Capacitor broke loose. You kind of see some of the wet solder right there where I broke that capacitor loose right there. See how it's extra shiny. I'm going to try the IC right in the middle. And there we go. Comes right off. It even has a little ground pad on it. Came right off. Crystal oscillator. So we need the USB off. This one might be a little tough. It's got those extra pins holding it down. There we go. Oh, no, not so bad. It's really, you just kind of be patient with it. Keep trying. Keep going at it until it just gives. Don't touch it, by the way. That sucker's dang hot now. So, yeah, that's the basics of how to just remove some parts with a heat gun. It's really pretty easy.